All right, guys. Thank you, everybody. A little bit of a light night. We got Chronology 5-box break numerico 11-0. Let's run through the team owners over here. We got the Anaheim Ducks going to the Beef. AZ going to Eric. Bruins going to JJ. Buffalo going to the Cam. Calgary going to Stamir. Canes, Kentaro, Sato. Chicago going to the Cell. Avs going to the Lions. Jackets going to Covenants of Truth. Dallas, JJ. Detroit, Matt K. Edmonton, Durgies. Florida, Cell. Kings, Haas. Mini, Cell. MTL, Brain Damage. Nash, Lucas. Devs, L. Isles, Felix the Cat. Range, Mr. Happy and Son. Ottawa, J-Tac. Fly, Ellie. Pitt, Haas. Sharks, Craig P. Blues going to Dylan, the Mad Scientist. Tampa Bay, Full Nelson. Toronto, Tarzan. Canucks going to Tibbs. Vegas going to Cell. Capitales going to Nate Dogg. Winnipeg going to Lucas. Uh-oh. Dergs in a war with Tarzan. In a battle royal with Tarzan. Derg's taking it to the streets. Wow, the knife. Wow, that's crazy. Jeez, I need to be careful with this bad boy. I kind of like it dull. Good luck, everybody. We got a base, Seth Jones. We got a rookie or a patch auto, Henrik Lundqvist for the Rangers. Lundqvist for the Range. Mark Fitzpatrick, NYI. Good old Fitz. Sitting on the Ritz. There's Fitzy right there. That Lundqvist is pretty dope, right? Border Lundqvist. And we got Ken Morrow. His ancestors were the first ones to get one of their bones drilled open. Actually, his great-great-great-great-great-grandfather was called Ben. They actually called him Bone. They nicknamed him Bone with the last name. Especially when they drilled into his bone. Bone marrow. Revolutionized bone therapy. You get, does that make sense? I mean, come on, duh. We got Patrick Kane. 222. We got Mr. Defense coming up. Letterman Auto. Mr. Defense /25, Keith Yandel. Yans, baby. This is 2019-2020, brother, Volume 2. We got Alexander Burrows for the Canucks. The old Burrows. And we got a rip card. Patrick Kane for CHI. Boy, this knife is sharp. Woo. I think I'm going to put the old blade back in it. We got Clayton Keller. Helen Keller's great-great-great-great-grandson for the Oats. That Eagle, baby. 50 out of 50. 1 in 100. Beautiful patch auto premium Ed Belfour for the Dallas Stars. Belfour. Let's go, Eddie. And we got Mats Naslund. Naslund for MTL. And we got Wade Redden, number to 20 Letterman auto, 96 to 08. The owner would please come forward. Please step forward. And, ooh. Ooh. We got a base, 222, Patrick Marleau. How low can you go? We got a filthy, sick franchise finds patch auto rookie Jack Attack Hughes. Jack Attack for the Devs. Going to Tony. And we got an auto for the Blackhawks. Troy Murray. Matt's dad. And for the Senators, AK Senatros, Chris Neal. It was numbered to 25. 21 of 25. Going to Tony. No problem, man. Congrats, bro. That's pretty nutty. Beautiful card, dude. It has a little window. I didn't know some of these had like a little plastic window on them. Over the patch window. Yeah, that's a beautiful Devils hit, man. Super nice. You got that little devil. Good luck, guys. Shabbat, a.k.a. Chabot. Pimpin', you ain't tripping, number to 222. We got Dirk Claude Lemieux for the Devs. Autograph. We got a Devs break going. And we got an auto. Bobby Smith, Minnesota North Stars, a.k.a. Dallas. Good old Bobby. This is nice. I like it. Patch, number to 25. Fatty. Mitch Marner for the Leafs. Nice TOR right there.